Hi everyone, this is the Exams Daily YouTube channel. Now I'm here to tell about the notification that is a recruitment details which is released by West Bengal Health Organization Board. This is the official website for West Bengal Health Recruitment Board, that is wbhrb.in. You have to type this website link in the URL box and click it to get this page. This is the official website for West Bengal Health Recruitment Board. Here, the advertisement is here for the recruitment of staff nurse grade 2 and medical officer and general duty medical officer. Here, this is the notification. You have to click first staff nurse grade 2 recruitment. Here, this is the notification for a staff nurse grade 2, which is released by the West Bengal Health Recruitment Board. The online registration and submission of the application will be allowed only through this website. It started from 17th March and ended by 26th March before 8 p.m. The scale pay for this staff nurse grade 2 post, that is 29,800 rupees. It is a basic for this post. Here, this is the vacancy details is given in this notification. The total number of vacancies which is allocated for the post staff nurse grade 2 is 6,000 plus. For GNM means general nursing and midwifery post. It is a cadre under female and male. The number of posting can be reserved by the categories of the caste under reserved ICST, OBCA, OBCB and PWD. And for the qualification, basic BSc nursing, it's only for female. This is the counting of post under the categories. This is for post basic BSc nursing. It is also only for female. This is also catered under by the categories of the caste. Totally 6114 postings for this staff nurse grade 2 recruitment. Qualification for this post is you have to complete a general nursing and midwifery or the basic BSc nursing or post BSc nursing which is passed from any nursing training school. You have to get a registration certificate from a West Bengal Nursing Council, and then one important one is you must have the knowledge of Bengali or Nepali both in spoken and written. The age limit for this posting, you have to complete 18 years, not less than 18 years is not applicable, and the maximum limit is 39 years. The age limit may be relaxed for SC/ST candidates. Next, the fees details are given here. The candidate must submit the online application. The fees amounting is rupees 160. You can pay through the bank participating in GRPS. The fees relaxation for SC/ST categories, they don't require to pay any fees. These are all the informations given under the feesing details. You just go through it. And particulars and certificates required details are also given. You must read carefully these notes before you're going to apply this post. And the distribution pattern of marks details are given here. Totally that 100 marks examination. In this 100 marks, the 40 marks is given for your qualification. You must pass any qualification is given for this post. That is general nursery and midwifery, basic BSc or post basic BSc nursing, and 20 marks will be allocated for the additional marks which you are getting a 51 to 55% and so on. And the 25 marks will be allotted for if you have any working experience, that is calculated 6 months to 1 year, you get a 10 marks, and 1 year to 1.5 years experience, 15 marks. You have 1.5 years to 2 years, you getting a 20 marks, and greater than 22 years, you get a 25 marks. Remaining 15 marks, you will get through your interview session. Totally, the examination mark is 100. If you have interested to apply this staff nurse job, if you are qualified, you must apply for this job. Next job is intimated through this West Bengal Health Board, that is a medical officer specialist. This is the notification document for recruitment of a medical officer specialist. The online application are invited from you. of a medical officer specialist under Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of West Bengal. Only the online registration and submission of the application will be allowed for this recruitment. It is released between the date 12/2/2021 to 22/2021 before 8 p.m. Here the details is given for the scale of pay for this post, that is rupees 15,600 to 42,000 at the grade pay of rupees 5,400. You have to check this scale of pay details. Next, the vacancy details are given here. The name of the post, medical officer specialist. Totally 1313 posts for this post. This is separated for separate discipline, that is general medicine, general surgery, like that. You have to check this vacancy details here. Next, the qualification details are given here. You must complete a MBBS degree in the first schedule. You must go through this qualification details before you are going to apply for this post. And then age limit for this post is you have not more than 40 years. The SC/ST candidates may also relax by 5 years and 3 years for OBC candidates. And for physical disability peoples, you have applied in the age of 45 years also. The fees detail for this post is the online application fees is rupees 210. It is also paying through the bank participating in GRPS. And so some particulars and certificates details are given here for this medical officer post. You kindly read this all the details which is given by this website. Here the distribution pattern marks details for medical officer specialist post. Already I said you must complete an MBBS degree in the first schedule or a second schedule, part 2 for the third schedule on the Indian Medical Council Act. You complete this degree, you get a 25 marks, and you have any experience as a house staff, minimum period for 6 months, that is you get 10 marks for this. And you have any postgraduate qualification, you get 40 marks from this. If any diploma completion, you get a 20 mark for this. If you having working experience in a private or government sector, you get a 10 marks maximum. The experience details which is given for the marks, that is 6 months to 1 year, and greater than 1 year, the mark will be allotted for separate categories. And you get 15 marks from your interview sessions. For this jobs, these are all the information is given in this notification. Kindly go through this notification before you are going to apply for this post. Next, the third post which is released by this West Bengal Health Board, that is General Duty Medical Officer. Here this is the notification for this post. Here this is the notification document for recruitment for General Duty Medical Officer. Only online registration and submission for the application will be allowed for this post also. You can download the application from the website www.wbhrb.in also. It is released between the date of 12/2/2021 to 20/2/2021 before 8 p.m. Here the scale pay details for this post, you get rupees 15,600 to 42,000 plus grade pay also 5,400. You must check this scale pay details, and the vacancy details are given here. If you are going to apply for this post, General Duty Medical Officer, totally 1,207 posts is available for this post. The vacancies are given under the caste categories. You must go through this. The qualification for this post is, here also you must complete MBBS degree, and this is the age limit detail for this post. You are not more than 36 years. And 5 years actual relaxation for SC/ST candidates, and 3 years relaxation for OBC candidates. And if you have 5 years age relaxation as for physical disability people also. Here this is the fees details for this post. Here also 210 rupees are allocated for this application fee. Here this is a note. This is the clear-cut note for particulars and certificate required details. You must go through this. And finally, the distribution pattern of marks for allocated for this post, General Duty Medical Officer. That is, already I said for the previous recruitment, the MBBS degree, you must completed this degree. You get a 40 marks for this, and the additional marks you get for this post, you have to complete the degree in the percentage of 51 to 55. you get a 4 marks, and you get a degree with 75%, you get 20 marks for this. And if you have any working experience including the house staffship, you get a 25 mark for this, and the remaining 50 marks is you're getting through your interview session. These are all the distribution pattern details of marks of this General Duty Medical Officer post. We are giving the link for this post in the description box. Kindly go through this link. And if you have any doubt on clarification, you must clarify on that. Do well and all the best.